Welcome back. Today I'm showing you the automated industry trend scraper and outline creator, an essential tool for generating high-quality content outlines for your team. I'll be using the AI archive on Medium as our source, though you can pick any niche that fits your needs. We start with a loop list node to cycle through the articles, opening each one in its own tab to extract the most relevant data for our research. Now, let's take a look at the Run tab. You can easily check the agent's steps and verify the output here. Don't forget to use this tab. It's essential to make sure your BrowserAct workflows are running correctly and that the data is flowing as expected. While we're using Medium here, this workflow is flexible enough for any site with articles or headlines. We've set up the AI to automatically open every article in a separate tab to capture the core data. From each article, it generates headlines perfectly suited for your social media and news teams to use immediately. Let's dive into the n8n scenario. I've packed this template with detailed notes to help you navigate the workflow, including the specific BrowserAct template names you'll need. Your first task is to define your target site within the target page node. Once your destination is locked in, the workflow is ready to trigger the BrowserAct node and start pulling those industry trends automatically. Keep in mind that while we're using Medium today, you can apply this to any site you want. Now for the magic. We feed that raw data into an AI agent for a deep dive. The AI is instructed to analyze the content and craft high-impact headlines, organizing everything into clear headers and body text. To keep the outline clean, if the data belongs to the current section, the AI won't create a redundant second header. By using structured output, we guarantee the data is perfectly formatted and error-free every single time. We instruct the AI to set the title as a header inside the first result. Once we have the header for the first item, we use it to generate a document using the Google Docs node. Next, we split all the data and send it into a loop. Inside the loop, we first include a wait node to avoid rate limits. Then, we add a spacer using an empty Google Docs node. We use an if node to check for headers. If a header exists, we take the top path, where we define the text by adding the header first, followed by the body. If the header is empty, the second path will only add the body text after the spacer. Finally, we notify the team using the Slack node. And there you have it, the ultimate setup for dominating social media. This workflow is built to snag the best headlines and push them straight to Instagram to keep your followers hooked. It's the easiest way to amuse your audience with fresh, daily content without having to spend hours on manual posting.